Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am bringing you EveryPlate. This is the first time that I've gotten EveryPlate. It is a food delivery service that they get the ingredients together for meals, and you can choose how many meals you would like. So each meal will come with 2 servings. Now, right now, I'm choosing 4 meals per week. Normally, that would run about $53, which is a lot lower than a lot of the other food service delivery services. So I've chosen 4 meals, 2 servings each, which will run me about $53 a week normally. I got a good special though. So you can choose 2 meals, 3 meals, 4 meals, etc. And you get to choose your meals. You get to go through the app and they say, this is what we picked for you. Do you want it or not? If not, then you can just select your own meals for that week. And it keeps going every week like that. Now, right now, they're having a really good special. Right now, you can get your first box for $1.79 per meal, plus another 20% off of your next 2 boxes. So I basically got my first box for $25.25. 4 meals, 2 servings each. So let's dive in and see what I got. I did pay for this with my own money. They did not send it to me. I'm going to put this on the chair next to me. So that's what it looks like. It has some paperwork. I'll go through that in a second. I want to show you the box before I put it back down. So it has oh, this is all a bag. Okay. Woo! Okay. So that's what it looks like in there. It looks like it's in a tray. Okay. Stand by. So there's the tray that has everything on it. And then underneath are these ice packs. And here is my protein. That's it. EveryPlate, a meal kit service that delivers delicious, doable meals at a delightfully low price. Here's my envelope. Harry's, here's a coupon for Harry's. And Myers, that's a coupon for me. And then there are the recipe cards. So I chose cheesy black bean quesadillas. And here are all the ingredients that go with this recipe. And it shows you how to make it. And then we have turkey and dirty rice stuffed peppers. Tuscan herbed chicken linguine. And finally, cheesy corn bisque. And so I have 10 ounces of ground turkey. I have 10 ounces of chicken breast. I don't know if it's just wet or if the chicken is leaking. So I'm just gonna Yeah, it kind of felt like the chicken was leaking a little bit. I'm gonna go wash my hands. I'll be right back. Okay, so yeah, I mean, a lot of it was condensation from melting on the chicken pack itself, but it had that slimy feel to it, which makes me think that there might be a little hole in there and some juice comes out, which is normal even when you go grocery shopping. So I'm really not worried about that. So look at all of this stuff we got. We have bread, linguine, an onion. I have, wow, black beans, reduced fat milk, whole kernel corn. That's strange, they come in these little juice box looking things. We have cheese and sour cream. I mean, look at that little tiny thing. But that's for 2 people. So let's see, how many packets do we have? What's this? Red pepper cream. We've got tomatoes, more onions, more cheese, seasoning mixes. We have a green pepper, garlic, cheese, cream cheese, green onions. I mean, we have everything in here. I'm excited. And we have tortillas for the black bean quesadilla. I mean, this blackening spice. We have everything here. 4 meals, 2 servings each, for $53, but this one was only $25 because I signed up with that deal. If you choose 2 meals or 3 meals, it'll be cheaper than that, your first box. And then the next 2 boxes, you'll save 20% if you sign up. Wow, I am so excited to get started. Now, because it's somewhat thawed, I have enough time to actually choose something from the box and cook it for dinner tonight. So I'm very excited about that. But yeah, I thought I would share with you the savings. And if you want the savings, I'll go ahead and link them down below. I don't have a coupon code or anything, but that is a fabulous deal. That you can try it for like 3 weeks on that special. And if you don't like it, I'm sure you can cancel. On that note, I am so glad you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.